Cabinet has approved the implementation of the National Infrastructure Plan 2050, which is in line with the National Development Plan, in ensuring that everyone has affordable access to drinking water.
Ipendulo yesekela likaMengameli uMabuza endabeni amanzi nakathi kufanele abomasipalata benze isiqinisekiso sokuthi abantu bathola amanzi ahlwengekileko. Kwavela umbuzo ukuthi abomasipalata banikelwe imali kodwana abantu ekufuze bafumane izenzelwa khona badose emhlweni khulu ngendaba yamanzi begodi amahlelo athonywako okulungisa imithangalasisekelo yamanzi awaqedelelwa. Buziwe bona alo nabathi imali yaphuma njalo kodwana ngaba nendima emphakathini bathini bona bangurhulumende waphendula wathi.
In a number of instances the grant is being utilized for other things other than what it is intended for. So we're ensuring that all the grants that are given to municipalities are used for the specified task that is water and infrastructure.
Mabuza urarekile nakezwayo ukuthi ngasuthi urhulumende uhlayelelwa zimali zokulungisa imithangalasisekelo emdala yamanzi. Kubonakele bona ingasuthi imali ayifiki la ekufuze iye khona. Nange ikhona imali leyo bazoyelusa njani bona ingasadliwa.
We have budgeted for new infrastructure built through the grant that we are going to give to municipalities. But this time around, Deputy Chair, we are going to ensure that the grant is utilized for what it's meant for in the different municipalities.
Akhange isali indaba yeperakela phambili ngombango ophakathi kweRussia neUkraine otjhiye umonakalo omkhulu eUkraine. Wathi bajame emagameni kaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
We support the statement made by the President that will prefer mediation, dialogue as the best way to achieve peace.
Abanye bathe kuyaziwa bona ISewula Afrikha neRussia zingaphasi kwehlanganisela iBRICS. Alo lokho ingakhani kutsho bona ISewula Afrikha isekele iRussia.
In that conflict we are calling for mediation, we are calling for diplomacy. We have not decided to take any side, and we don't want to go to historical challenges that has developed to date that is at the center of the conflict.
Mabuza uqedelela inkulumo yakhe ngokuthi bayazi bona lesi sikhathi esimbi umnotho ujame kumbi kodwana amaSewula Afrikha angalahli ithemba abakahlali bayalungisa.